Hi, welcome to Hard Reset Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me REALME C33, and now I'm gonna show you how to take a screenshot on this device. Okay, there are three ways to make a screenshot on this device, and the first way is to press together simultaneously power button and volume up button. Oh, so sorry. Try again. Great, and then click on screenshot button. This is the first way to take a screenshot on the device, and the second method is pressing the power button and volume down button together. So just press together power button and volume down button. And as you can see, screenshot was successfully taken. That's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.